Okay, this shows how this railing is made. You have this bottom piece, which is probably about a 2x4, and then a little molding edge done on it right here. And these are spaced, so there's a 2-inch gap here. And to get that right, they use these little blocks. But they started with probably a 2x2 here, full 2x2, nailed them all in, then probably used the blocks to keep the same spacing down here, nailed them straight through from the bottom, and then they put on this cap right here, which you can see the contour of that. Kind of got a bevel on both sides. And then after that, they went through, and the key is you have to have that top centered, which whoever put this back together didn't do that. And then they put this molding on, and the molding goes from the top, covers up right down to here, so it covers up all that joint. So it makes it look like it's all one piece. Pretty cool. So we're going to have to be building some of these because some of them are pretty bad shape, but this one I had to take it apart and straighten it out and now nail it all back together and replace some of these that are wrong, like these two.